What's up, NMS? It's Imani, back again, 2 days in a row.
And Leo with your WNMS 20th episode for November 29th.
Today is National Chocolate Day. You better give me some chocolate. Or else.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
The Fall Play Cast and Crew Party event will take place today, November 29th, after school until 4:30 in the auditorium. They will be celebrating all the hard work the cast and crew put into the fall play with games and snacks.
My favorite part is when all of the students start to get a hang of all the new equipment and our new shows and things like that, and they start to take it on as their own, where I can hand off the project to them and they can have fun with it how they see fit. We'll be celebrating all of the hard work and dedication that you guys and the cast and crew put into the show, and talking about what some of our favorite parts were, what we're looking forward to in future shows, as well as playing games and just having fun. I was really proud of our students and how they really made the show their own and really took ownership of not only their roles as actors, but also as their parts as designers and as crew members.
If you plan to attend, you must bring $2 to help cover the cost of all the snacks and drinks for the afternoon.
The next GSA meeting will take place today after school. GSA is a gay straight alliance and all are welcome. Please wait in the cafeteria until 3:45 p.m. and then you'll head upstairs in the media center with Mr. Jodoan. Please be planned to be picked up by 5 p.m.
The Novi High School WinterGuard is a program for any 7th, 8th grade, or high school students interested in learning how to spin a flag and dance. No experience is required, and they will teach you everything you need to know. This program really helps students prepare for joining the Color Guard team for the Novi High School Marching Band. Please join them today from 6 to 8 p.m. in the Novi Middle School cafeteria to try it out if you're interested in learning more about joining this group. There will be a parent meeting tonight at 8 p.m. in the middle school cafeteria for all interested students and parents. Please reach out to Mr. Ronning or Color Guard Coach Layla Neal at laylaneal123@gmail.com with any questions. There will be a Model United Nations meeting from 3:15 to 4:15 today in Mr. Cross's room 520 after school.
November is Career Development Month, and in part 2 of our career videos, we take a look at manufacturing. Do you like engineering? Have you wondered what a manufacturing job is like? Well, this video is for you.
So my name is Dante. I am currently based outside of Boulder, Colorado. I came into this particular company as a design engineer and am now product manager for this company. It's just using science to make useful things. It's going from math and physics and chemistry principles and, the art of design and industrial design best practices to objects and systems that can make life better. The typical manufacture process, maybe you've walked through this, but ranging from raw material in the top left here through the logistics aspects of delivering finished goods, there are a lot of opportunities to utilize recyclables, to reduce the water intake necessary to make manufacturing capable material. And this is where additive is really unique. For a long time, additive was only petrochemical based, it was only plastics. And that was simply because plastics have a low melting point and they're easy to squeeze into small spaces. They respond to pressure really positively. But the Lullspot is one of the coolest desktop printers I've encountered because it can use wood filament. It can use glass fiber infused, so carbon fiber, fiberglass style filaments. And with a few upgrades, it can be used for metal filaments as well. And larger scale, industrial scale additive tools can do all those things as well. But where the opportunities are is when you talk about the aerospace industry. I would encourage you to get in as many clubs as you can. Even if all you care about is maybe architecture, still go look at robotics clubs, still go look at automotive projects and competitions. Go get involved in soapbox derbies, anything that involves building something with your hands, because that'll open up the world of engineering to you in a way that I cut myself off from. And I feel like I lost some years that I could have spent designing even more cool stuff if I had been a little more open-minded and a little more aware of all the awesome stuff around. Well, I want to thank all of you for being here today, for asking some of these awesome questions, and just for, listening to somebody's stories from industry. I hope you get more chances to talk to people doing this work.
We hope that this video gives you more understanding about manufacturing. If you want to know more about this career, then you can email your questions to Ms. Kurbat at jennifer.kurbat@novaik12.org.
Succinct has your headlines.
What's happening, NMS? This is Succinct with your headline news for November 29th, 2023. The Farmer's Almanac predicts that the upcoming winter would be cold and snowy. Usually in Michigan, the school districts decide when to close school due to inclement weather. This means that schools might close more often than last school year due to increased predicted snowfall. Usually, schools close when the wind chill factor is 20 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Schools close when there's too much snowfall. There is a possibility of more snow days this year based on the predicted winter weather for this school year. This is Succinct signing off. Stay warm, Wildcats, and also stay safe.
The boys' white basketball teams as they play crosstown rivals Meads Mill today at home. The 7th grade game starts at 4 p.m. Come support your Wildcats. Hitting the road are the boys' green basketball teams as they take on Holmes Middle School. The Detroit Red Wings have added Patrick Kane, a former number 1 overall pick coming off invasive hip surgery, to their lineup as they signed the former 40-goal scorer who was an all-star in the past for the Chicago Blackhawks. They've also been hot on a 3-game win streak as they are playing the top-ranked Birmingham Rangers. Kian is next with your Today in History moment.
This is Kian with your Today in History moment. Despite strong Arab opposition, the United Nations voted for the partition of Palestine and the creation of an independent Jewish state. The modern conflict between Jews and Arabs in Palestine dates back to the 1910s, when both groups laid claim to the British-controlled territory. The Jews were recent immigrants from Europe and Russia who came to an ancient homeland of Jews to establish a Jewish national state. This has been Kian with your Today in History moment. Peace out.
Hello, this is Livia with your weather. Today we have a high of 37 and a low of 28 degrees with a 40% chance of rain, or at this point snow. And tomorrow we have a high of, 46 degrees and only a low of 33. That's warm enough to not wear a coat. Just kidding, wear coats guys, it's freezing outside. Also, we have a 50% chance of snow, with both days being cold and chances of snow and or rain on Thursday. Happy birthday to the following students.
Happy birthday, clap, 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 happy birthday, clap, 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 happy birthday to you. Clap, 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 happy birthday, clap, 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 happy birthday, clap, 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 happy birthday.
Hey Amani, did you know the longest attack of hiccups lasted 68 years?
Wow, that seems painful. I hope you... Never mind. Shout out to Parker Dixon in Miss Kang's 4th period math class. Thanks for liking our show yesterday. Anyways, this is Imani.
And Leia.
Signing off with your 28th episode of WNMS. Have a
great day,
NMS.
NMS.
And remember, I come back every time, and I come back better. Who doesn't like me?
Me!
Okay.